Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I already started.
Alright. We are learning how to kick a soccer ball. These are soccer balls, but, well, they're soccer balls. This is my house, so I don't know where they are. But anyway, we got these things. So when you try and kick a soccer ball, you don't want to have it like this, because like that, if you do it like that, it goes backwards. And then, but if you curl your foot back and you go like that, it's going to go that way. What you want to do is get your foot out like this, so you can go like this.
Very helpful. Thank you.
Sometimes, if you do it like this, you can get it high. Well, I messed up.
You're very good at tutorialing.
Really high. And I messed up again.
You're very good.
Sorry, guys.
Just saying. Guy, is that my name?
Really high. And it always comes back. So close. So watch me get it up here, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe not that close.
Oh yeah.
Corey, over here.
No.
Oops, too high. Let's give it a retry.
Now, if you're a trained professional like he is, obviously, you can do that just about every time.
So long. You're a trained professional like me. Give me a No, was this still recording? That would have been so good.
It is.
So anyway, I just went rolled on him. But I want some basketball. On trash.
That is every ball that you can possibly imagine.
Now
You
let's
suck.
learn how to get them out.
It's very important to get them out. Once you throw them in,
And then you kick them.
and then you punish them.
And then you punish them. You want to go, bro? Yeah, you want to go? Well, you're going to get bullied. Don't even think about coming down here. I'll kick you down.
Well, he's gone crazy. I'm trying to protect this ball for now.
Oh, that's over.
All right. That was terrible.
What do you see?
Now, one important factor to making sure that you do it well
Going up the steps, baby.
is that
No steps.
one important factor is knocking it over your neighbor's fence.
Oh, there's Sunny. Look, there's Sunny.
Corey, can you take it and I headbutt it?
All right.
Go over there.
You can't do that. You want to go on the bike?
No, go kick it.
You want to go on the bike?
Go and headbutt it.
Need help? All right, ready? All right, let's go for a ride.
Like, hold it up. Walk. I am.
Okay, go.
I can hit you out. Skirt. Wow. I wish I was as good as you.
I wish this was as good as your mom.
You're like bringing it to wait.